Hey guys, what's up? We are here in St. Catherine, but the place over there name, some call it Spanish Town or Prison Oval Rock, or maybe you know it by Ochronic Songo. Ochronic Songo. Ochronic Sango, or Spanish Town. Nobody know Ochronic Sango? Nobody? Camera lady, Ochronic Sango.
I don't know.
I was born in a place called De La Vega. Spanish Town Rocket. You know, young people don't know Chronics, I understand them. No Chronics, forgive them here. So guys, what's up? We're here, we're on the delivery trail. We have a special delivery today because today we deliver a package to Jason, right? Jason, I know you say you live, don't? Say I think people have to Jason. Jason a shy guy, you know. So we're here to Jason saying shy. We're here to deliver a package to Jason. We're on the road. Jason said, yo, I'm down here, so we come, we divert, we come out for deliver and package. You know we do it already, you know. Anyway, you're there, we'll come give you your package. Jason, your package is here, sir. Thank you so much for being a part of our video. Alright. So, you like the service so far?
Yeah.
You don't need to get? This is your first time, right?
Yeah, first delivery, not one.
You know, something coming. So guys, here is a brand new customer. There's a link somewhere here. Click on the link to join us today. Jason, take us out. Tell them bye-bye for me there.
Bye-bye.
You see? Jason, that's simple and easy. So, alright guys, catch you later. There is a link somewhere here. Click on the link. Join us today. Get some nice delivery. Ship your items from overseas. Get them delivered to your doorstep. Or if you're up on the road like Jason, we will come and we deliver it to you. Alright guys, peace. I'm out. Chronics, pick up yourself. Hold a Spanish Town. John's Road. Pick up John's Road.